I know you might have probably seen videos like this on TikTok, on Instagram, and also on Facebook, and all of them have one thing in common.
Comment nano and I'll DM you everything.
Comment AI and I'll send you the link.
Comment fire and I'll send it to you.
All of these videos have one thing in common, and that is the link that they are promoting, and this link is an affiliate link. And in this very video, I'm going to simply show you where they get all of these AI tools that are trending, that they promote out there just to get commission. All right, and the name of this platform is Squeezy. This is an affiliate marketing platform where you get latest AI tools, AI softwares, SaaS tools that are trending at the moment. And all of these SaaS tools, if you get to promote them, you're going to simply see people that needs them for their day-to-day activities. All right, and the best thing about this platform is that they are worldwide. You can actually register on this very platform and also promote these AI tools and get people to purchase while they give you your commission. All right, so in this very video, I'm going to simply be showing you 5 simple steps on how to succeed on this very platform as an affiliate marketer. All right, so the first step, I'm going to be showing you how Squeezy works. Second step, I'm going to show you how to register and get approval. Thirdly, I'm going to simply show you how to apply and get affiliate products to promote. All right, and fourthly, I'm going to show you how to get sales and traffic to your affiliate product with both articles and videos in another new dimension. All right, and the number 5, which is the last step, I'm going to simply show you how to promote multiple products at the same time. And if you watch this video down to the very end, I'm going to simply give you a bonus tip that will even help you to get more traffic to your affiliate links and also help you to target the right set of people that needs these AI tools. All right, if you're new here, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram for more updates. So without further ado, let's get into the video right away. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to your browser right here. When you go to your browser, you search for Squeezy affiliate. All right, this is what you're going to simply search for me. When you search for that, click on this affiliate section right here, and you're going to simply go ahead and click on this sign up button. You're going to click on this get started button. All right, and when you click on that, it is going to simply prompt you to sign up on this very platform, either with your Google account, your Twitter, or you add your email address and your name and password. Okay, so whichever one you choose to go with, you are good to go, right? And once you add all of these things, they're going to simply send you a verification to your email, and when you click on the verification link, your account will be verified. You're going to simply get this particular section right here ticked for you. All right, these are the detailed steps that you need to take for this to work for you. All right, the first step is to simply create your account with either your email and Gmail account. All right, when you said that, you're going to simply go ahead and complete your affiliate profile, where you have to add your name, add your website, or maybe if you have a YouTube channel, you add that, or Instagram, you add it. Then you're going to simply go ahead and send your account for review. All right, and once your account is reviewed and approved by this very platform, they're going to simply notify you on your email that your account has been verified and approved. All right, sometimes they're going to simply ask you your location and all of that. Okay, and also they're going to simply ask you to put your website URL where you're going to simply be promoting their product. Anyway, you know that you're going to simply be promoting their product, that is what you're going to simply put there. Okay, but I would advise you, if you have a blog, it will be very much faster for you to get approval on this very platform. All right, this account will be fully verified for you, and it will unlock your profile, which will allow you to start promoting products. And that is going to simply take us to the next step, which is how to apply and get affiliate products to promote. Okay, and after that, you're going to simply go ahead and connect your bank account, either your Payoneer, or you go ahead and connect your USD bank account. Anywhere you're going to simply be receiving your commission, that is what you're going to simply be adding here. Okay, and when you add this, then you have to simply fall back to number 3, how to get this product. Okay, on this very section, you're going to see overview, programs, clicks, referrals, payout, creatives, settings, and a lot more. Right, so what you need to do is simply click on these programs for you to get products you want to promote. Okay, it's going to simply take you to this very section where you're going to see a lot of AI tools, the name of the AI tool, the URL, the categories, the commission, and status. All right, so the ones I'm promoting currently, they are the ones that are showing active status right here. Okay, so for instance, if I scroll down all the way down and click on the next button, remember we have over 3,434 results, okay, that you can actually promote. Okay, and if you click on this next button, you're going to see most of these things are not going to simply pop up again. You can see where it ends. You can see right here, these are the new stuff that I've not really applied for. Okay, so these ones right here are the ones I've already applied for. So if I click on this one right now, I can actually go ahead and copy this link, and when I copy this link and go to another browser, this is my affiliate link, as you already know. But if you're registering your account newly, you don't have any approved product already. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is simply go ahead and pick a product to promote based on my own niche. Okay, so I can simply go ahead and click on this next button. The only thing you need to do right now is simply pick the one that tallies with your niche, and when you click on this, then you have to simply go ahead and click on this submit affiliate. All right, when you submit your affiliate request, it is going to simply take like few days for them to approve you. Once it is approved, then you're going to simply get a link to promote their product. Okay, some of them will approve you instantly, and some will now take time for them to review your accounts, review your details, review the website you uploaded, and approve you later. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is simply go ahead and go for the ones have already approved me. So I'm going to simply pick one of them right now. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see right here there are a lot of them that have already approved me. For instance, let me check this one right here. This is Clip Llama. This is an AI tool that generates videos. Right, you have to simply click on this affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. Just click on it. When you click on it, then you're going to simply take you to this very section where you have to simply add your stuff right here. Okay, so I'm going to add this. When you add this, you're going to see this is the actual website. Create faceless videos that humans love to watch. Okay, and they have free version, which is also good, and this free version is going to simply help you to make your video. When you make your video, you can actually go ahead and teach people how to use this platform. Okay, and if they want to subscribe, they can actually go ahead and subscribe with your link. Okay, remember, if you're making videos and putting your affiliate links, just let your audience know that there is an affiliate link in your description. It is going to simply help you stay platform compliance, because most of these platforms, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, requires you to add a little disclaimer telling people that you have an affiliate link on your description. You can see why these are the videos that the tool helps you to generate, and you can actually use their demo videos for your stuff right here. So we're going to simply search only this to see if people are saying something about this. Clip Llama AI alternative free, Clip Llama AI free. Okay, so if I click on this one right now, then I scroll down, you're going to see people also ask this one free download faceless, and this. All right, okay, so you can see related tools that people are searching for. We have video AI, we have Wizard AI. All right, all of these things tallies with this particular tool right here. Okay, so right now we're going to simply go over to the step 4, which is to promote this particular product, get traffic and sales for it. Okay, so how do we do that? 2 important ways to promote this, get traffic to it and sell it, is to use videos and also to use articles, which is blog. All right, so for the video part, you can actually use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram for it. Okay, so if you go over to YouTube and search for AI tool review, when you search for that, you're going to simply filter. You're going to simply filter to this week, and if you filter to this week, you're going to see videos that people are making about different AI tools. Okay, so if you filter for today, let's go over to the filter section and select today. Okay, if you select today, things are going to simply change from this very section. Okay, things are going to change. You can see that here they have already refreshed, and we're going to simply filter again. We don't want the short. Okay, we don't really care. You can see right here, these are AI tools. This one, it says Skywalk AI review, the super AI agent, blah blah blah. And in this particular video, in the description, you're going to simply see Skywalk affiliate link, and also a disclaimer telling the audience that there's an affiliate link right there. Okay, so if you scroll down right, you're going to see other tools. So what do? You have to simply go ahead and create a YouTube channel for yourself where you review these tools. All right, you can simply use AI tools like InVideo to generate unique AI video reviews. Okay, and also use your mobile phone or laptop screen to record these particular AI tools the way I'm showing you on my screen right now, on how it works, on how to use it and all of that. Okay, don't copy content to upload on YouTube. Just make sure you create original content to promote any specific video you want to promote. Okay, if you tell people how to simply create videos with these AI tools, then they'll be able to learn how it works and also be able to try your link. So apart from YouTube, there are other places you can upload. You can upload on Facebook, you can upload on Instagram. Okay, for instance, this is a team page, and this particular page is all about AI tools. All right, so if you go up a bit, this particular Instagram page has 162 posts. They promote AI tools and tell people to comment so word for them to get the link of this AI tool. Right, most of them are 30 seconds, most of them are 45 seconds, and at the end they're going to simply tell you to comment so word in the comment section for them to send you the link. Okay, you can see this one says comment AI to get the link of this amazing tool. All right, you're gonna see people that will start commenting AI, and he will start sending these people DM on their Instagram. Okay, which means they have already shown interest that they want to get the link, and you send them the link as you promised, all right? And then in return, they use your link to purchase the platform, okay? And the platform gives you your commission. That is basically how this thing works. And apart from telling people to comment, you can actually go ahead and add your links on your bio, like this one right here. This guy added his own affiliate link on the bio. Apart from the video strategy of promoting your affiliate link, you can actually use your blog website. For instance, if you head over to your blog right here, let's say if you head over to my website, okay, I like to use my own website as an instance because this is what I do and this is what works for me, okay? And on this particular website, I can actually go ahead and write review posts, okay? And I've already made a video on how to write reviews for your affiliate product, okay? So I've already made a video on how to write a review for your affiliate marketing product, okay? So you have to make sure you get yourself a website. Remember, before even signing up right here, before even signing up on this video platform, they will require you to have a website, a standard website, .com.org.ng, .xyz, but don't use any free blog like Blogger. Don't use Medium. They're not standard website, okay? They're not worth the stretch. You can simply go ahead and use a standard website. Get yourself a developer. If you don't have a developer, join us on a Telegram channel. My team can handle that for you, okay? So on this particular website, you can simply go ahead and monetize with advertisement as well, and also monetize with your affiliate link, okay? So with this particular video, which I've already made here, this is the video right here, how to start affiliate marketing blog with Awin. This video right here is going to simply teach you how to write a high converting affiliate review post for your blog website that actually convert and bring traffic and sales, okay? And if you don't want to write this particular post yourself, you can actually utilize this particular video that shows you the best AI SEO content writer that's ranked on Google, all right? Then you publish it on your blog website. And how does this work? If people searches for the best AI video generator, they're going to simply see your website and the links you've already embedded. And last but not the least step, which is how to promote multiple products at once. For you to promote multiple products, all you need to do is simply come back to Lemon Squeezy. Instead of promoting just one product, like you've already known that this Clip Llama is a video generator, all right? Instead of promoting only one at a time, you can also come back to this video section and explore other video generators, okay? You compare the two of them together. For instance, if Chatwit is a video generator and Clip Llama is a video generator, you make content like Chatwit versus Clip Llama. Which one is the best AI video generator for you, all right? And you compare the two together. Or if you don't want to do comparison, you're going to simply make videos or articles like best 5 AI video generators that are 100% cheap and affordable, all right? So if you make that kind of post, then people can be able to see the list of AI video generators that they can actually go for, all right? And you as an affiliate marketer, this product you've already recommended are your affiliate links, all right? And you can actually go ahead and tell them that there's an affiliate link in the video description. If they want to buy, they can click on the link. So those kind of content will help you to promote a lot of product at the same time without you breaking it one at a time, all right? And it's going to simply save you more time and energy. With this particular strategy, you can promote 10 particular products at the same time. You can promote 5 at the same time. So remember, I told you I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip on how to get more traffic and commission at the ending part of this very video, all right? So remember, once you start creating content, you might not be getting a lot of views or maybe a lot of traffic to your website and a lot of that, okay? So what tools can you actually use to boost up your traffic for free without paying money? Best platform that I recommend you go for is TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and X, okay? At the bio section of your page, like this guy have already done right here, at the bio section of your page, you have to simply go ahead and input your link, your affiliate link on the bio section of this social media handles, all right? Another strategy is to utilize question and answer forum. So if you've already made your content on Instagram, you made the content on Facebook, on YouTube, and also written your blog post, you can also go ahead and copy each of these links of this content you've already made, then fall back to question and answer forum. You're gonna see people that ask questions like what are the best AI video generators that create monetizable videos, right, for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and a lot of that, okay? Then you're gonna simply answer the questions, and at the ending part, you provide them a resource, which is your link. You can also utilize email marketing, podcasting, and also guest posting, all right? It is called guest blogging. So these are the way you can actually get traffic to your website blog. Stay consistent with this strategy. You don't have to promote one product and expect to get huge result. It doesn't work that way. You have to simply keep promoting a lot of product for this to work for you. Right? If you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to go ahead and check out our videos on how to write your content for affiliate marketing, and also the top AI content writers for SEO. See you in these very videos. All right.